Work-life balance is crap. Let's talk about why that is and what else to apply instead of work-life balance. What's up, guys? Everybody say, hey, DJ. Hey, DJ. Say hello. Hope you're having a great day today. It is going to be an amazing day because I decided so. Top of the day to you. Hey, listen, work-life balance. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a trader, if you're a business professional, if you're a whatever, and you've got big goals, big dreams, and you're ready to make something happen, then you're going to struggle with all the different responsibilities that you have in your life. You know, for me, I'm a father, I'm a husband, a business owner, multiple business owner. I'm an investor. I have rental property. I have a nonprofit organization. I have a ministry. I have a bunch of different men's groups. I'm passionate about education. I love to live life, love to travel, passionate about working out. I have a farm. I've got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of things that I need to do. And so it's constantly a juggle. It's constantly a hustle to take care of all those different things because I want to be a good husband, good father. I want to grow in finances. I want to grow in education. I want to grow ministry and impact others. I want to grow in so many different areas of my life. And so there's not a lot of downtime to just sit around and do nothing for me. And that's great because I enjoy being busy, being productive. But my point is, when you're juggling so many different things, then you've got sometimes a pull on your attention where you're trying to figure out how to have balance in your life. And sometimes you may feel out of balance. Well, I'm here to actually talk about the truth of the situation, which is you're oftentimes going to be unbalanced. That's number one. You're oftentimes going to be unbalanced. Why? Because there's some area of your life that's out of balance, and you've got to double down on that area to get it more in balance. So you have to almost go out of balance more before you can get more in balance. It's like them having to take the wheels off of your vehicle to put new tires on, to put them back on, to give you a smoother, safer ride. It's kind of the same similar concept. Sometimes you have to double down, which means you have to work harder, longer, more intensive, more energy in one area of your life to fix it. Like if you have a health crisis, you may have to work a lot harder on that for a season of your life, put in a lot more time and a lot more money to get it back on track as compared to if things are going okay in health and you can just get in a workout most days of the week and things are fine, right? So sometimes you have to get out of balance in order to get balance. The second thing is, it's not work-life balance. It's work-life integration. Yes, you should have times where you're solely focused on work and you don't have anything else that you're thinking about at all. Yes, you should have time in your life where you're relaxing or on vacation or doing something and you're not working at all. Of course. But a lot of the in-between, it's work-life integration. It's the ability to, for example, like our last trip that we took for business was 2.5 days of business, and I took my wife and my son, and they were able to go explore for a while in the beautiful town that we flew to. And then for a day and a half, we spent that time together around town as a family and then flew back. And so that's integration. You know, because I fly a lot these days for business. I'm traveling a lot. I'm in a travel season, which is awesome. Got a lot more trips planned out this year, a lot of them. I'm excited about that. But I'm not going to go on all of those without my family because then I'm choosing to travel for work instead of spending time with family. And I'm not also going to choose to say, well, I can't travel because I'm a family man, so I got to stay at home. So what's the answer? Is it far left, like be gone all the time because business is important and I'm the provider? Is it far right? Hey, I can't do all that travel stuff because I'm a family man and I need to be with my family. Or is it integration? Where I can say, hey, some of the trips, let me map out some of these trips where we can enjoy an experience as a family, make some memories and spend some time together. And let me see some of the trips where I can just fly out, do what needs to be done, fly back in real quick by myself, give them a chance to take a break from travel for that particular point in time and integrate. And so that's the message today is forget work-life balance. Where can you integrate? Yes, what areas of your life do you need to double down on? Yes, when are you taking healthy breaks so that you can sustain and have some margin and some nourishment? No professional athlete can perform without a key component called rest. So make sure you're taking care of yourself. That's very important. But my biggest question for this video today, for you today, is on the integration piece. Where can you integrate Instead of A or B, where's the in-between where you can actually integrate and improve that area of your life and or business? All right. See you guys. Have a good one. Bye for now. Say bye, DJ. Bye.